Hey traders, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Um, so market's about to open. Well, it's been open, but my session doesn't start till 7 a.m. Pacific. On the left here, I get my 30 trade challenge. I get a free copy in the description along with a trading journal masterclass, completely free. And yeah, I'm just looking to follow the rules. And I've been trading this for 3 days. At the seventh trade, I screwed up and I had to reset back to zero. And that's part of the rules. If you mess up on your discipline, that's it. You got to restart. And so it's I consider myself a pretty disciplined trader, but sometimes I just get caught up. And yesterday I got caught up because I got top ticked, stopped out. Um, I got stopped out by just one tick, and I got so pissed. So you got to keep those emotions in check. And I wasn't able to do that. So I'm back to square one here. Now, today I got a clearer mind. I know what I want to do, and I'm sticking to the same rules. After the first 30 trades, if you notice any kind of patterns or criteria you want to change, you could do it at that time only, not in the middle of your 30 trades. So, last video, somebody said comments about it's a 20 trade challenge by Mark Douglas. And yeah, I think he goes by 20 or 30 in some of his videos. And you can adjust the number of trades. I generally use 30 because it's good, just because of my setups. If you were swing trading, you traded very seldom. 30 trades could take forever. So maybe you notch it down to 20, but it's the same idea. It's sticking to your rules, not changing your rules at all in any situation, especially not changing your profit target and stop loss. Another comment I got was, okay, why 1-to-1 risk reward? Why not 2-to-1 or something else? I mean, some people do 1-to-2 where they take on more risk than uh, reward, and it works out for them. That works very well for scalping strategies. I've seen 5-to-1 where five times reward to one risk and or 1-to-5, whatever you call it, and that works out for them. That I usually the longer the time frame, the more risk to reward. It just depends. Like for me, I'm risking a lot of points. So because the Nasdaq is so wild, 2-to-1 can be a little. It gets stopped out a lot, right? And for my psychology, when I get stopped out too many times, it really screws me up. So this way, I give myself enough wiggle room. If that makes sense. So hopefully that answers um, that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for like consolidation area, and I only trade between 7 and 8 a.m. Pacific, which is like 10 to 11 market hours on the East Coast. And I was looking for a setup here where I get some consolidation and clear break in the upside or the downside with a pullback, and then a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So let's see. A few other rules is that if I win two or lose two trades for the day, I'm done for the day. Um, or of course, if my time limit hits 8 o'clock, then I'm done. So let's wait for some trades here. I might scrub forward until I see something so I don't bore you guys with the charts. Okay, we're starting to see some movement. Obviously, we put in some range here and it cleared resistance. So I'm thinking about putting a long order in. And we're kind of up. This doesn't affect my decisions too much. We typically trend during this time of the day, typically, not always, and we're definitely on an uptrend today. I think there was a gap up this morning, if I'm not wrong. I don't. Let me check. Oh, let me just fast forward here. I think we're gonna need to pull back to enter on this, but I want to see maybe go a little higher. So let's scrub forward. Okay, yeah, this is good. Um, I'm going to adjust my limit order a little bit here and there just to like get filled. And once I get filled, I'll kind of determine my stops, and consequently my take profit is going to be. So let's see if we get filled. Okay, we get filled there. My default ATM strategy for NinjaTrader is 20 points. So now I'm just adjusting according to where I want to put my take profit, which is going to be, breaking that candle, that pivot high. And so now I just adjust my stop to be 1 to 1. And hopefully this one works out. Let's see what happens. Oh, so yeah, Monday and Tuesday are losing days. So last week, Friday, I was up 1,100 and I gave it all back in 2 days. Um, with what was that, like 5 trades, and one of those trades was bad discipline. By the way, I'm trading. I'm trying to qualify for a funded account through Apex. So they give you $50,000 starting capital and then a $3,000 profit target for the valuation. And then once you hit that level, 53,000, then you get funded. I have a link in the description if you want to check it out. There's a 50% off coupon code there you can use. Pretty good company. Used them since November last year, around when they opened. And I've had payouts. I've had friends who've been paid out. It's a pretty good company. There's a lot of them coming out lately. It's like they're popping up all over the place. I think it's a really good business because for them, they make money if traders lose, and they make money if traders win. So um, there's a saying that during a gold rush, don't dig for gold, but sell picks and axes and shovels. That's the sure way to make money. So they found a formula that works for sure. Um, I did end up going to their wealth summit. It was really good. Nothing to do really with trading. It was a 2-day thing, and they talk a lot about wealth preservation and things like that. I think they sell the 2-day seminar on their website. But again, there was like one session directly about, trading on charts. The rest of it was like alternate investment stuff. And also it was about some really, really good tax savings. I mean, basically they have some company there you can pay almost nothing in taxes. But it was pretty expensive to have them file your taxes and to set up a trust and all this and that. So well, this is coming down. It's still holding support. Looks like a little I don't know what you call this formation. I want to say cup and handle. Doesn't quite look right. Um, I'm actually not that good at candlestick patterns. I know some basics, but I don't never really use them in my trading. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward a little bit and see if we get filled or stopped out. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is looking good as long as it doesn't um, reject this 12,340 area. Oh, come on, don't do that. Yes. Okay. Cool. All right. I don't know how many points that was, but 381 in the day. I'll mark this one as a success. And again, I mark these as success or failure. No matter if I win or lose in the trade, it's all about following the plan. And so let's wait for another setup, and hopefully we get that before 8 o'clock. Man, this is so strange. There's nothing going on here. There's a little bit of consolidation here, but this has just been 100-point run up almost. Should have held on to that. but it's acting very mechanical on the way up. It's just trending, nonstop on the upside with no real deep pullbacks. So we got 20 minutes left, roughly, and we get some breakdown here, maybe, but I'd have to see a pretty big breakdown here. I'm up to over the period of, what was it, Friday plus 3 days is 4 days, $200, the $53,000 target. That's not bad. It could be better. If I didn't mess up yesterday on that bad trade, it'd probably be like another $150. So I'm trying to hit, like, a good target would be, make the 3 grand in 20 trades or 20 days, which would be a month of trading. So that's $150 a day. So I should be at the $600 mark. I probably would be at the $400 mark if I didn't take that crappy trade yesterday. And so making okay progress to not a horrible start. Um, yeah, this is a little bit of a trend line break, right? On the upside here, we got a trend line break and looks like it's coming down, but I really want to see a strong, forceful move down in order to get in on this. All right, it's got to break down probably below, and it has to do it quickly. It can't just trickle down. Nice strong move to the downside, and then we'll pick up a short and a pullback. So let's see. Let's scrub forward and see what happens. Yeah, well, it's after 8. Even if it does break down here, part of my rules is to stop at 8. So I'm going to follow my rules 100%. Definitely don't want to reset this checklist. Just kept on going up nonstop. It's pretty mechanical. Um, so yeah, I'll have to stop it here. So I'm up for the day. Hope the end of the week stays green, and we see some progress towards the $53,000 goal. Yeah, again, if you want to check out the free trading journal, and it includes a 30 trade challenge checklist here, and also a masterclass of how to use a journal to trade better. Um, and then also there's a link down below for the Apex Trader funding 50% off. The code is down there along with the link. If you can check that out, it really helps support the channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a great trading week. I'll catch you on the next one. I think I'm going to trade also tomorrow and Friday, the rest of the week, to try to keep these videos coming at you every single trading day. So take care, trade well, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.